when she was putting the
Yo guys, we just got vaccinated. So I just had a bath and I'm feeling great after taking the vaccine. I'm literally shivering. I don't know what's happening. I'm feeling cold, but I don't know if I'm feeling cold or not. 1,000 subscribers. Advice. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome back to another vlog. So today is 4th na? Sorry. Today is 4th of June. Yeah, 4th of June. And I'm making this vlog because I'm gonna get vaccinated tomorrow, 5th of June. So I'm gonna make a vlog. So one night before getting vaccinated, and I've heard like my friends have got side effects after getting vaccinated, but I guess it's good because I don't know, but they go. So like I'm a bit scared. So I'm gonna eat a lot before getting vaccinated. I ate 2 pizzas already. I'm gonna eat 1 more pizza because I don't know. I'm very scared what will happen after getting vaccinated. Will I get those side effects? But I'm gonna take all those crocin and all. So let's see. I'll eat it right now, and we'll continue with the vlog tomorrow when I go get vaccinated. Hey guys, good morning. So it's 11 a.m. right now. I just woke up. I slept at 5 a.m. I was like chilling on Clubhouse. So it's a new app. If you guys don't know, do download it. So I'll have my breakfast right now, and I have like my vaccination is at 2:45. So I just ate my breakfast, and it's like I ate it half an hour ago. It's 12:30 right now. I don't know what to do. So now I'll make the vlog when I go over there. Okay, so till then, see you all. Yo, I'm all ready to get vaccinated, so let's go. So guys, I've reached right now. I'm outside the center.
literally when she was putting the
Yo guys, we just got vaccinated. Hi.
silent.
Hi Antara. Hi
I literally
Ananya.
looked into the needle when she was putting it. She's like, दूसरी तरफ देखना था. Really?
My hand is paining thoda.
It's so embarrassing. She's like, don't ice, don't do this, don't do that.
How?
Abhi se,
Thoda.
it didn't go in your blood, right? Weakling.
Hare.
Weakling.
So guys, we are done with the vaccination, and now we are going back home. So I just had a bath and I'm feeling great after taking the vaccine. Let's see how it goes. Are there any symptoms or not? Yo guys, so I had a bath again because I had gone for badminton, and there were no any side effects of the vaccine. So this vlog is basically about like the vaccine and after effects. So let's see. It's 7 right now. I'll have my evening like snacks and all, and let's see what happens at night. I'll give you all the details what happens and all. I hope nothing happens. So till then, let's see. Guys, it's like 2:45 and like I'm shivering. I am shivering, and it's thundering outside. I'm literally shivering. I don't know what's happening. I'm feeling cold, but I don't know if I'm feeling cold or no. I'm feeling pukish, but it's fine. Let's see what happens. Okay, quick update. Like my body is hurting so much. Like it's paining my arms, my legs, my back. It's hurting. It's like someone is like just sitting on it. Like it's very painful. But if you guys are feeling the same after taking the vaccine, do take Dolo 650 or you can take Crocin. that's what I'm gonna take. I took Rosin. It's much better right now, but it's still hurting like terribly. I hope it gets fine by evening or something. I no longer have any energy to make this vlog. I'm very tired. I feel sick. So this might be the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, like, share and comment, and do subscribe. If you're new here, do subscribe. And let's reach 2K subscribers very soon. Till then, see y'all. And do take the vaccine. Do take the vaccine. And yeah, special thanks to Antara for taking my video while I was taking the vaccine.